Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade volatility 75 index. On my screen I have V75 on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and I have three windows, indicator windows. I have indicator window 1. This is indicator window 1. I have indicator window 2. I have my main window. This is my main window. This is indicator window 1. And then this is indicator window 2. Okay, 15 minutes time frame. Now the way the strategy works is on the main window, okay, I have some moving averages. All right, now the main idea is when price cross above the red moving average, like I have around here, okay, I wait for development of 3 more candles, then I place my buy entry around here. Okay, so I only place buy entry when I have development of bullish candles above the red line. Okay, just like this example. All right, and at the same time I look for sell entries when I have development of bearish candles below the red line. Okay, all right, so the black line is basically for trend. Okay, like this is the black line. Okay, the black moving average for trend. Okay, now when price is below the black moving average, we are in a bearish trend. And when price is above the black moving average, we are in a bullish trend. Okay, now but when we are in a bearish trend, that's when I look for my buying opportunity, especially when I have development of a reversal or retracement like we have around here. So my selling opportunities will be when we are in a bullish trend. So I'll be looking for retracement like we have around here to sell. Okay, now on indicator window 1, when the blue and red lines, when they cross down on the black line, that's where I have my sell signal. Okay, for buy signal, when they cross above, okay, I look out for my buy signal when they cross above. So that's very simple enough. So don't forget, when they cross down, the blue and the red lines, when they cross down, I have my sell signal. And then when it cross up, okay, the crossing up is usually around the 25 level. Okay, the black line will have gone below the 25 level, and right, at the point of going below the 25 level, if I have a crossing above if I have the blue and the red crossing above the black as it goes below the 25 level, then for selling opportunity, as the black line enters the 75 level, okay, 75 RSI level, okay, and the blue and the red cross down on it like we have around here, then I'll look for selling opportunities. I'll just cross check with what has happened here. We have bearish development, then I place my sell trade. Okay, and that's it for indicator window 2. Okay, all right, I have my signal here. I have my signal on indicator window 1 to sell. I also have my signal on the main window to sell. Then I'll look for when the oscillator bars changes color. Okay, I've been having bullish, then it starts to turn to bearish, which is the red bars above the 0 level. That's when I look for my sell. Okay, for my buy, okay, I'll be having bearish below the 0 level, or some oscillator 0 level. Then when I have it turned to bullish like we have around here, then I look for my buy entries. I'll check what's happening on the indicator window 1, then I'll check what's happening on the main chart, and I enter my trade confidently. So that's just it. Let's look at the parameters. We have moving average. We have 240 period linear weight. Shift is 0. Apply to close. Color is black. That's for the trend change. Above the black line, above the 240 period black line, we have bullish trend. Below the black line, we have bearish trend. Okay, in a bearish trend, we look for bullish reversal. We look for buying opportunities where there's a reversal or a retracement. Okay, and that's below the 240 period linear weight moving average. Okay, of course, we look for bullish in the bearish trend, then we look for selling opportunities in the bullish trend. That's above the 240 period. We look for retracement or reversal where we get to sell. Okay, and we have another moving average 5 period. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to close. Color is red. Of course, on the 5 period moving average, the red colored line on the main chart, that's where we start to count three progressive bars, if it is bullish bars or if it is bearish bars. Okay, above the red line, we look for 3 bullish bars, okay, to buy. Okay, and below the red line, we look for 3 bearish bars to sell. That's how to use the 5 period simple moving average. Okay, now the next one is the 28 simple. Shift is 0. Apply to close. Color is green. Okay, and next one is 4 simple. Shift is 0. Apply to close. Color is gray. Okay, the 28 and the 4 are just an additional moving average. Okay, that does not really have much to play. Okay, now let's look at the indicator window. One, we have stochastic. Percentage K period is 1. Percentage D period is 1. The slowing is 1. Price field is low over high. Method is linear weight. Okay, the color of the main and the signal is to match the background color of the chart. Okay, and then the stochastic oscillator levels, we have 20 for buy and 80 for sell. Of course, when the black line enters into the 20, okay, you will start to look for, when the black line enters into the 20 level, and then we have the blue and the green crossing upward, we look for buy opportunities. Of course, when the black line also enters into the 80 level, and then we have the red and the blue crossing downwards on the black line, then we look for selling opportunities. Okay, that's for the stochastic oscillator. Then we have relative strength index. We have the period is 10. Apply to close. Color is red. The levels are 20, 25, 75, 80. Okay, then we have another relative strength index. Period is 8. Okay, apply to close. Color is blue. The levels are 19, 18, 82, 81. Of course, the two RSIs, this is colored blue and this is colored red. These are the red and the blue lines that I mentioned that are supposed to cross downwards on the black line or upward on the black line. Of course, if they cross upward on the black line at the 20 level, 20 stochastic level, we'll be looking for buying opportunities. If they cross downward on the black line around the 80 stochastic level, we'll be looking for selling opportunities. Of course, we have accelerator, oscillator. There's no color to match. Of course, this has little or no significance. We also have awesome oscillator, little or no significance in the strategy. Then we have envelopes. Okay, this black line. Okay, the period is 7. Shift is 0. Deviation is 0.100. Method is linear weight. Apply to previous indicators data. Now the upper band color is black. The lower band color is black. Now this is the black line we are referring to on indicator window 1, where the blue and the red relative strength index indicators will cross. If they cross on this envelopes line at the 20 level, we'll be looking for buying opportunities. If they cross on the envelope line at the 80 stochastic level, we'll be looking for selling opportunities. All right, that's that for indicator window 1. Now for indicator window 2, we have awesome oscillators. For this simple, the value up color is green, the value down color is red. So let's go back to the chart. Don't forget, for you to buy, you look for the alignment. Okay, like you have an alignment here where we have on the main chart we have a buy signal. Of course, on indicator window 1 we have another buy signal, and on indicator window 2 we have change of color of the awesome oscillator. So if you have the alignment of the three, you can place your buy entry. If I'm going to buy, I'll place my buy entry somewhere around here, then ride the trend. Okay, don't forget the black line is above, so we're in a bearish trend, so we look for buying opportunities in the bearish trend. So this strategy helps to trade reversal or retracement, okay, of a bullish or bearish price move. Okay, of course the sell signal will happen when you have three consecutive bars. Okay, three consecutive bars, then you have the blue and the red turning down, crossing down on the black line, and then you have the awesome oscillator colors changing. Okay, so you trade the retracement or the reversal, and then you enjoy, okay, the trend. You can see price going down. So that's basically all about this strategy. It's a very good strategy. You like it. Don't forget to test it with what has happened in history. Okay, test it and then try it out on demo account. Don't just trade a strategy on live account so that you don't lose your money. Make sure you try it on demo account first. As soon as you understand how it works, then you can go live using your real money. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button so that you get to see our videos. Also click the like button, like our videos. We also want you to click the bell button below the video so that you'll be notified if we release another video, if we publish another video for on strategies on how to trade forex and volatility index. Okay, you can also go to our website www.binfxtrader.com or fxfables.com. You can go to these two websites to learn more on how to trade forex and volatility index. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.